We have recently studied that how can we write a simple program and print hello world to the screen. But programming is not limited to it. Programming is developed so that we can perform complex operations and so that computer can help us perform complex operations and solve bigger problems for us. For that we need to input data to the computer and extract data from the computers, and for which we need data containers, or another words for them is called variables. Variables are data containers and they are very simple, just like in simple maths. For example, if you have to add some things, you simply write x is equal to 1 plus 2. So the result is stored in x. In programming, we have to interpret variables in a little different way. As you can see that there is a small red line indicating that there is some error. So to remove these errors, we first need to declare variables before using them. Actually we will go about declaring in details later on. So first let me give or do a simple task of creating and designing a simple calculator that performs and that only performs an addition function. We take variable x, we take variable y, and we take variable result. So we store our two inputs in x and y, and we store it in result. So first we need to declare those variables, and this is the syntax of declaring the variables: int x, y, and result. Now you will see that those errors will vanish away. As I have told you in my previous video, that semicolon is the line terminator for your C++ statement. So now you see that the errors is removed. Now as like in maths, we can assign values to those variables. 8 is equal to 7 and result will be equal to x plus y. On a small visual representation of the computer memory at this time, as you can see, there are three blocks: x contains 8, y contains 7, and result contains 15. Exactly this is how computer memory is currently having, or these variables are currently saved in computer memory. These are just variables are just like containers. They are containing these values that we have assigned to them, and the result is 15. There are different ways of giving values to the variables. For example, you can also assign values like this. Now if you remove these statements, then x will have 0 and y will have 9 and result will have their corresponding result. Let's change it to the one we have. Actually I have included different ways that how we can declare variable and assign values to them, and the link is given below. So this is about variables. I hope you have learned something from this video. See you until next.